am Amanda from Carolina Diagnostic Solutions. And if you are experiencing Corona crazy, much like we are here, we have some good news. As we move to work from remote areas in the next few weeks, as our health officials have recommended, we want our customers and our clients to know that we are still available for you. We have available online purchasing through our website, carolinadxsol.com. You can reach us via email, via voicemail, via fax for orders and POs that need to be processed for your organization. We also have remote training, remote support, and remote installation available as well. Our clinical team and our tech team will be available to help you with whatever your needs are. Just because the coronavirus has pushed us out of public spaces does not mean that healthcare or the care of our patients and our clinics and our offices has to stop. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our lines will be open 803-545-0273. Y'all stay safe. Bye.